sent a text, I said the door's unlocked. He's lovey-dovey like a soap opera. You say you love me, nah, 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 nah. You got racks, that's pretty, but I'ma need like 10 in a row. Money gang stay rapping, so we gon' need like 10 of those pulls.
Okay, what's up, hello? Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
The wig that I'm reviewing today is from Myfirstwig. My first wig actually. Excuse me, I just want to make sure that I got the name right. So before we get into it, I'm just going to unbox the packaging that they sent me and show you guys everything that comes in your Myfirstwig box. So, and now they're including this deep conditioner for your wigs, specifically for your wigs. So you get 2 of these in your box. And also they send you a nice little pouch with some combs and I didn't even open it yet and I already know what's inside. That's how you guys know, like, this is not my first rodeo with this company. So I'm just gonna actually open it to be sure. And you a comb. Damn, oh, I was about to say this got bobby pins, but some bobby pins. And a few clips to clip up your wig when you're installing it. A wig band for extra security on your wig. This wig band you can sew onto your wig yourself. And you also get an instruction guide on how, I think this is how to take care of your wigs. Yeah, this is basically how to install your wigs and all of this. So, and then you also get 2 stocking caps. And last but not least, you finally have your wig. And I love most about their products is their packaging. So this is what your wig comes in its own wig bag. I'm just gonna lift it up and show you guys. So yeah, this is basically the wig, and I also like that they've attached an extra elastic band. That way you can adjust the tightness on your unit. So I'm just gonna come out and show you guys the hair. The last wig that I did try from them was more suitable for like the winter time, but summer is here, so I figured let's give you guys like the same wig but in a shorter bob style.
Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Now I know I'm not the only one that likes being bored alone at home with nothing but the TV on and a t-shirt on. Whoa, everybody's staring, but I'm not caring. I'm on my own and I don't care 'cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, yes I am, and I don't care. I got a man at home, but he's not here now. So watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Come closer, boy, let me whisper some chosen words into your mind. But don't believe it, I'm a little uneasy when I'm lifted. I'm kind of stoned right now, but I don't drink, so please don't make a sound. Don't tell nobody that you saw me, boy. I'm just gonna shake my hair and everybody's posted up on the wall. But I don't care 'cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, and I don't care whose party this is. It's gonna be mine now. Watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Hey boy, come here. I see you, boy, I see you standing over there. You want some of this? Come here, baby, come take a lick, and I don't care where we go after this, as long as it's not to my crib. See, I don't want nobody there. Nobody has to know where I rest my head. They don't, 'cause only the strong survive.
Okay, you guys, so this is so freaking cute, and just the cut itself, I've never done like a bob with like bangs on it, so this is kind of really different for me, and I must say I actually really like it. like it does give my face a nice Asian look. So this is that other long one that I was telling you guys about that I received in the winter time. I got this around my birthday, so about 5 months ago. And you guys, she's still looking absolutely gorgeous. The hair is really nice. Like when I tell you guys, their quality of the hair is superb. Like they have excellent quality hair. This is the exact same wig as this one that I'm wearing here, just mean this one is the shorter version. I feel like this one is the summertime one, and this one over here is like my wintertime one. This one right here, I was able to put her into a bun. I was able to put her up. If you guys did see that video, I did put it into a high knot where I had the little China bun on the top, which was really cute. This one, because of the length, I'm not too sure if I would be able to like put it into a high bun. I mean, of course, by all means, you can try. You might be able to add like bundles on the top to just get that like length. But you can do just about everything with these hair. I really love the way that they cut the bangs on these units, because this is exactly how I usually always want my bangs to be cut. Really straight, flat, and nice. And I just don't like the whole bumpy bangs. It just looks ridiculous to me. So the cut itself on the bang is really straight and nice, so I really like that. And if you're just somebody out there that's looking for a really nice bob wig with a bang, doesn't even have to be a wig with a bang, like, but their wigs with the bangs are really popping and nice. So I highly suggest that you at least have one of these stashed somewhere in your closet. This wig is definitely perfect for the summertime. Like, to be honest, right now I don't feel like I have anything sitting on my head. Also, the bangs are really light, so that's what I really like about it. Their hair quality itself is amazing. I've never had any issues to say with their hair. I really love this wig, and like it's so cute. And before, I don't know why, but I just can envision seeing myself in like a bang wig, not a bang, what am I saying, in a bob wig with bangs on it. Like I just didn't see it happening. Like I don't know why, I just couldn't picture it. But it's so cute, and I must say I really love this wig. So if you are out there looking for a really nice summer wig that's really lightweight, like I said, you guys, you don't feel this wig at all on your head. It's not heavy. It's very lightweight, and the bangs are just like perfect. If I do have a discount code, I will leave it listed down below in the description box for you guys. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. I'll also leave the previous video on my 5-month-old wig from them down below, so that way you guys can check that out if you are interested. And I'll catch you guys in my next one.